This video shows you exactly how to borrow money from Cash App in the simplest way possible, step by step, from qualifying to getting the money and paying it back. Now, first things first, open your Cash App and go to the main screen where your balance shows, then scroll down until you see the borrow option that says borrow. Unlock up to $500 and tap on start. Cash App now makes it clear how to qualify, and there are three main ways. Spend at least $500 every month using your Cash App card. Deposit at least $300 monthly in paychecks, or link a bank account that receives over $500 in monthly deposits. But keep in mind that linking a bank alone does not guarantee approval. Once you meet the requirement, you'll get a notification saying you're eligible, and you'll be able to unlock borrowing. After that, head back to the same page, and here you'll see that you can receive funds instantly, pay only a small flat fee, and qualify for a higher borrow limit over time, so go ahead and tap on borrow. Here you can borrow a small amount, starting from $20 up to $60 depending on your limit. Cash App will show you the total repayment, including the flat fee, and give you a deadline, usually around 1 month. You can choose how you want to repay, either through weekly payments or all at once, and once you review and confirm, the money is added instantly to your balance. If you don't pay on time, a small weekly interest is added until it's fully paid, and Cash App can automatically take the payment from your balance or linked card, so it's better to repay early. You can also pay everything back at once, anytime without extra charges, aside from the flat fee, and doing that can increase your borrow limit as well. That's exactly how you can borrow money on Cash App. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.